Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Debbarma booked a flight ticket for 50 students stranded in Manipur to bring them back in the state. Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Debbarma and other officials from Tripura went to the MBB airport on Sunday to welcome the students. Like the Maharaja promised before, 50 stranded students in Manipur have arrived in Tripura this Sunday afternoon. Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Debbarma and other high officials from Tripura went to the MBB airport on Sunday to welcome the students. Manipur has been going through a communal conflict this past week. There have been continuous violent protests and riots all over the state, and the situations in Manipur just keep escalating with more passing time. The parents of the students studying in Manipur have been worried and scared because of the violence in Manipur. They are trying to find ways to bring their children back home to safety. Seeing the students and parents stuck in these perilous situations, Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Debbarma took the responsibility of bringing the students back to Tripura by his own. Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Debbarma booked flight tickets for 50 stranded students with his own expenses. 50 students from Manipur got on board on Indigo flight 6E525 and arrived at the MBB airport on Sunday afternoon. Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Manikia TT AIDC CEM Purna Chandra Jamatia, MLA Paul Dangshu, YTF State President MDC Ronald Debbarma, and other high officials of Tripura went to the airport to welcome the students. So here we have met with Sir Paul Dangshu at the MBB airport. So we'll try to show you and interact with him about the situations out there in Manipur and the students coming back from Manipur. So welcome to the Chini Khorang, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So sir, let's just talk about out there in Manipur.
Actually, now the reports are coming that the situation has been cooled down. Governments are taking necessary security measures and all. So as we are hearing that the situation it's coming to normalcy now.
So how many students were coming back from Manipur today?
From Manipur today more than 24 students are coming. We'll be receiving them here. Our chief Maharaja Pradyot Kishore is also here. We are with him now.
So how did the students interact and how did they contact to Buvagra or to the Tripura officials to manage and come here for the tickets and all?
Actually, our Buvagra had suggested us as soon as the problem in Manipur arose, then we have made a helpline number. So whoever is stranded there and facing problem to come to Tripura, we gave a number, and people had contact through the number, and our people, our leaders are interacting them with them. They are connected with them, and we have arranged flight tickets, and they are coming now.
So is there any possibilities about the workers and students stranded back there in Manipur?
If there are more, we are getting more calls. Yesterday also we are getting more calls. We are arranging more tickets for them. We are arranging transportation. If there is more calls coming, then please reach to us. We'll be very eager to help you.
Okay, thank you sir. It's very nice to have a chat with you.
मणिपुर से मैंने अपने तरफ से ऑलमोस्ट 50 स्टूडेंट्स को फाइनेंस किया है अपने पॉकेट से कि वो आकर वो वापस त्रिपुरा लौट सके, क्योंकि मेरे ख़राब समय में बहुत त्रिपुरा मेरे संग खड़े थे. मेरा ड्यूटी बनता है कि जो लोग मणिपुर में अभी मुश्किल में है, कष्ट में है, क्योंकि वहाँ में वायलेंस बहुत ज़्यादा है, इसके लिए उनका पूरा प्लेन का टिकट का खर्चा मैंने दिया है. वो अभी पहुंच रहे, तो मुझे लगा कि हम और अपने वॉरियर्स के साथ उनको रिसीव करें और उनको बताएं, उनको एक बात दिखाना. कभी कभी अपने लोगों को बताना भी पड़ता है कि मेरे ख़राब टाइम में वो मेरे साथ थे, तो उनके ख़राब टाइम में भी मुझे उनके साथ रहना चाहिए. दिस इज़ माई ड्यूटी और मैं अपना ड्यूटी निभा रहा हूँ. मैं कोई गवर्नमेंट का हेल्प नहीं ले रहा हूँ, अपना पॉकेट से कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि अपने लोगों को हेल्प करने के लिए आपको किसी से हेल्प का दरकार नहीं होता, आप खुद भी कर सकते हो. हमारे तरफ से 50 स्टूडेंट्स प्लस आ रहे हैं और भी कम से कम 14-15 लोगों ने कांटेक्ट किया है. उनको भी 1-2 दिन में लाने का पूरा कोशिश करूँगा. आई थिंक गवर्नमेंट भी अब कुछ कर रहा है, क्योंकि हमने किया तो गवर्नमेंट भी अब कुछ कर रहा है हमारे बाद. तो ठीक है, अगर हमने कुछ किया और गवर्नमेंट ने उसके बाद कुछ किया, तो हमने भी गवर्नमेंट को मोटिवेट किया है अपने लोगों को वापस लाने के लिए.
और बाकी जो भी रहेंगे अगर वो कांटेक्ट करें,
अगर उनको आना है तो मैं आने के लिए अपने तरफ से फुल करूँगा, क्योंकि कोरोना के टाइम भी मैंने हेल्प किया, इस बार भी मैं हेल्प करूँगा और ये मेरा ड्यूटी बनता है और मैं करूँगा. अपना भगवान ने इतना क्षमता दिया है कि आप 50 क्या 100 स्टूडेंट को भी ला दे, 150 स्टूडेंट को भी ला दे, तो मैं क्यों नहीं करूँगा. इलेक्शन के टाइम मेरे गरीब तिपरासा लोगों ने अपने पॉकेट से मुझे 200 रुपये, 500 रुपये, 1000 रुपये, 2000 रुपये दिया था। तो मैं क्या अपने लोगों के लिए 1 लाख 2 लाख रुपये खर्चा नहीं कर सकता हूँ लाने के लिए? क्यों नहीं करूँगा? 100% करूँगा।
और मणिपुर में सर जो चल रहा है वहाँ पे एसपी होने के लिए जो मांग हो रहा है उसको आप कैसे सपोर्ट करते हैं?
मैतेईज भी हमारे ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स हैं, कुकीज़ भी हमारे ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स हैं। मैं उनको बोलूँगा कि आप एक दूसरे से फाइट ना करके अपने मैतेई मिनिस्टर से पूछे कि वो क्यों चुप बैठे हैं, अपने कुकी मिनिस्टर से पूछे कि क्यों चुप बैठे हैं। आप एक आम आदमी को नहीं मारकर अपने एमएलए, अपने मिनिस्टर से पूछिए कि इस टाइम आप गवर्नमेंट में क्यों बैठे हैं और अपने लोगों के साथ क्यों नहीं खड़े हैं। मैं उनको ये बोलूँगा कि एक दूसरे का चर्च को और मंदिर को ना जलाकर अपने मंत्री से, अपने इलेक्टेड लीडर से ये सवाल पूछे कि आपका क्या पोजीशन है।
और वहाँ के सीएम ने जो स्टैंड लिया है आपको क्या लगता है वो सही है?
सीएम ने जो भी स्टांस लिया है वो सीएम आपको ज़्यादा अच्छा एक्सप्लेन करेगा। मुझे लगता है कि इस समय हमें शांति चाहिए, नॉन वायलेंस चाहिए और एक दूसरे से बात करना चाहिए। इस सिचुएशन में आम आदमी का घर जल रहा है, आम आदमी का चर्च और मंदिर जल रहा है, एक मिनिस्टर का गाड़ी को कुछ नहीं हुआ है। और इसके पीछे कौन है? पॉलिटिशियंस है। आप पॉलिटिशियंस से सवाल पूछिए और एक दूसरे को अटैक मत कीजिए। इसमें नुकसान कॉमन आदमी का हो रहा है, कॉमन फैमिलीज का हो रहा है और उन्हीं का नुकसान हो रहा है। नहीं, आज ही AK मिश्रा से बात हुआ। ही इज़ रशिंग डाउन टू मणिपुर। उन्होंने मुझे सवेरे फ़ोन किया, उन्होंने कहा कि मैं माफ़ी मांगना चाहता हूँ, मणिपुर में सिचुएशन बहुत ख़राब है, मैं मणिपुर जा रहा हूँ। मणिपुर जाने के बाद मैं गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को ब्रीफ करके आऊँगा। आप बुरा मत मानिए, मैं समझ सकता हूँ ये अर्जेंसी है, ठीक है। मैं और 4-5 दिन रुक जाऊँगा और 10 तारीख को मैं दिल्ली जा रहा हूँ। अमित शाह ने मुझे बुलाया है, मैं यही बात अमित शाह से भी बात करूँगा। नहीं, उसने कहा कि मणिपुर वो आज ही गया है, वो शायद अभी लैंड करने वाला है मणिपुर में और उसमें मणिपुर में 2-3 दिन शायद लगेगा उनको, उसके बाद वो यहाँ आएंगे। उन्होंने खुद कहा, फ़ोन करके खुद कहा है, उन्होंने माफ़ी प्रकट किया। मैंने कहा दरकार नहीं है, मैं समझ सकता हूँ मणिपुर में सिचुएशन ख़राब है, ये अर्जेंट है सिचुएशन। और मैं अमित शाह से एनीवे 10 तारीख को मिल रहा हूँ और उसके बाद इंटरलोक्यूटर सिर्फ मुझसे भी नहीं मिलेगा, CM से भी मिलेगा, IPFT के लीडर से भी मिलेगा, समाजपति से भी मिलेगा और हमसे भी मिलेगा।
Now let's hear what the young students say after returning to Tripura from Manipur with the help of Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Debbarma. Okay, so now we'll try to interact with the students coming back from Manipur. So, Miss, what's your name?
My name is Alia Debbarma. I'm a student from RIMS Institute.
First of all, how do you feel coming back to your home state?
I feel happy, I feel relieved, and I am really thankful to our Bubagra who has helped us in this crisis situation for taking all the initiatives and helping our students and giving us this opportunity to return us to this land. Yeah.
So, was there any issues and difficulties on your way coming back to home?
There was no such issue. Yes.
Okay, so how do you come into contact with Bubagra to make an arrangement for the flight tickets and all?
So when this situation, it started from the main situation, it started from the 3rd of this month, 3rd May. So at first we thought it will come down or things will get back to normal, but then things got escalated, and for that reason we had to approach to our Tripura Motha, to our Bubagra and also to our TSF. And through that we contacted the president, and then we have reached Bubagra, we have talked to him personally, and then we asked him for the help, and then yeah, he did that for us.
Well, thank you so much and welcome back to your home state. Thank you.
So much.
Thank you. So we just met with another students coming back from Manipur. So Mr. what's your name?
My name is Albert Debbarma.
So first of all, welcome back to your home state. How do you feel?
It feels very good in this situation. Actually in the Manipur, the situation is not very much good right now, but the situation is normal right now. So it feels very much great, and I want to thank to he helped very much.
How do you guys came in contact with Bubagra?
Actually, one of our we have association in our this one dreams, okay, and we have GS, and we consisted the one to our GS, and he contacted to the Bubagra. Like that.
Well, welcome back to your home state.
Yeah,
thank you. So, Fadi, what's your name?
My name is Junaki Debbarma.
Okay, first of all, welcome to your home state after a long struggle.
Thank you.
How do you feel coming back to your state?
I feel very nice and very good after coming here. Uh, I'm very thankful to Bubagra for this. And
How do you guys contact to Bubagra after so much?
um, our GS, we have association in Manipur for the ST, Tripuri ST. So our GS contact with Bubagra for for coming here.
So well, was there any difficulties coming back on your way?
No difficulties.
Okay, well, thank you so much. Welcome back to your state. Hambai Kaki. The parents of the students also expressed their heartfelt gratitude to Bubagra Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Debbarma for bringing their children back home. So here right now at the Maharaja Birvikram Airport, we have just met the MLA Paul Dangshu sir, and then we just have some chat and interactions with him. And now here, let's see, there are many parents here waiting for their children. We'll try to interact with them also. Excuse me, ma'am. Can we just have some questions? Sir, so whom you are waiting for here?
Actually, I'm waiting for my youngest daughter. She is pursuing her MBBS in RIMS Medical College. She is now in final year. She is in final year. Actually, she just came home and then went back to Manipur. She was unaware of the situation when it started, and then we were too much worried about the situation. We thought, how can we bring her back? No one can go out of the hostel, and in their hospital complex itself there was some incidents. So in the hostel also they have stopped giving food, and then they were running short of water. So in that situation we were totally worried, but through TSF we have actually conveyed message to the Bubagra, and he has been...
Sorry to interrupt. How did the students contact with the Bubagra to help?
Actually, through their student union. In the RIMS, there is a student union, Tripura Student Union. So they have contacted through them. They have contacted the concerned people, and they spoke to Bubagra, and Bubagra has assured that he will arrange something to bring them safely to Tripura. And he has kept his word. He has cut for them air ticket, and also assured them that they will be escorted till the airport. No need to worry. And so we were also like comforted because of his assurance, and we thank Bubagra from the core of our heart, because of his love, because of his concern that he has shown for the students who are in Manipur. Thank you, Bubagra.
One more thing, sir. Did the students face any issues and troubles while they were on their way to homestay?
They did not face any trouble, because their security were arranged, and also the conveyance, the bus was given to them, and with that bus only they have gone to airport. There was no trouble at all.
So would you like to give thanks to Bubagra and any message to the people?
I thank Bubagra from the core of my heart as a parent of my child, and also I wish him good health and also success in his career for the days to come.
Thank you, sir, for your precious time. Thank you. Apart from the 182 students who arrived in Tripura with the help of the Tripura government, on Saturday after midnight, a special flight will be arriving in Tripura on Monday early morning with rest of the students from Manipur. Well, as we have seen, all the students who were stranded out there in Manipur have reached in the state safely. And then we have seen like the parents of the students were seen very happy and cheerful. The students were here with the help of Bubagra. On behalf of Bubagra, they were very happy. They were very thankful. They were very overwhelming. And then we have seen parents were also very happy looking at their parents and children's. So, to get more exclusive news and latest news, keep watching Chini Khorang. Reported by Krishano from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.